Hey guys, before we get into this, I just want to go through a brief history on the ratio and how it is used today. The ratio is actually a mathematical equation method for creating architectures, sculpting, and art, and portraits and such. It was named the golden ratio by the Greeks. It's often used in architecture with the length and the width of rectangles to help guide you in the designing process. It was also used to create the Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci himself, and we all know that by heart. And here is the original common template for the golden ratio method, at 1.618, kind of like pi square, pi r square, however it's pronounced. Correct me if I'm wrong. So anyway, this is commonly used in Illustrator, and this here gives you your center of interest with the spiral here, such as if you want to check the pupil of an animal's eye, then that will be your center of interest right there. It's also pretty much used in modern day, the golden ratio itself. Art programs, especially in Illustrator, for making stunning logos and designs. And there's also Da Vinci's ratio for painting human figures, which is probably better used in realistic traditional paintings or sketching, and maybe a little bit of digital painting, whatever you choose to do and how you choose to do it, use to scale and measure your designs. So anyway, now that we got that out of the way, for now, I'm going to show you how to make your own ratio template to use for yourself and to show you how it works. So let's get right into it in the next video.